In this video, I show you how to install Windows on VMware Workstation 17. You can install Windows on VMware Workstation Pro and also VMware Workstation Player. But I recommend to install Windows on VMware Workstation Pro for free. Latest version of VMware Workstation Pro is free for personal usage. Let's download and install it. The download is a little different. Open new tab, type here VMware Workstation, then hit enter. Open this first link. Click here, download Fusion or VMware Workstation. Here you need to create one account. Click in this login, click on register, enter your email address and also enter this captcha. Click on next, confirm your email or verify your email. Copy this code, paste here, click in this verify button, complete this form. When you complete, check this accept, click on create account, then come back to this page. In this step, enter your email address, click on next, enter your password, click on sign in. Open new tab, type here VMware Workstation, then hit enter. Open this first link, click download Fusion or VMware Workstation, click in this button. Here you have your dashboard, click here my dashboard. Search here VMware Workstation, click in this VMware Workstation Pro. Scroll down, click in this link. Again, scroll down. Here we have download link. Click the first link. Here we have different version of VMware Workstation for different operating systems like Linux and also Windows. We want to install VMware Workstation Pro for personal user. I want to download the latest version. It is 7.5.0. Now click here, I agree. Then click in this download button. Click on yes. Now complete this form. Then submit this form. Now click in this download button. The download has been started. It will take a few moments to download. It is done. Open it. Here we have this setup or this software. I want to cut this one and I want to paste on desktop. Let us install VMware Workstation Pro on Windows 11. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on next. Check here, I accept. Click on next. Click on next. Again next. Next. Install. It will take a few moments to install this software. In this step, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel. It is finished. Click on finish. Let's open this software or VMware Workstation Pro. Click here, use VMware Workstation Pro personal user. Click on continue. Click on finish. Here I have Windows 7, Windows 10 and also Windows 11. Open your VMware Workstation. Here is VMware Workstation 17. With this method, you can install any Windows you want, like Windows 7, 10 or 11. But the Windows 11 installation is a little different. I have separate video for this, but the setup is the same. Create new virtual machine, click on custom, click on next, leave everything as default, next. Click here to select ISO image, click on browse. We want to install Windows 10. Click on open, click on next. Windows product key. If you have, enter your product key. If you don't have, don't worry. Enter your full name. I want to write here admin. Enter your password. I want to write one password. Confirm your password. Click on next. Click on yes. Click on next. Next. Choose your number of processor. I want to select 4 processor. 2 is also enough. 2 gig RAM is enough. I want to select 4 or 8. Click on next, 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 next. Here select this one. Store virtual disk as a single file. 60 gig is enough. Next, next, finish. Now the installation is start. Enter your password. Guys, have a good day.